Hello, this is Moshe Kleiman, and I'd just like to do a little video of this new Baker hot water kettle. Just took it out of the box, and we're going to follow the instructions, which tells us to fill the water up to the max, and then we push down this little switch here, and I want to bring up my and of course I use only distilled water so as to keep my pot as clean as possible. And so there you have it. 7.5 minutes, roaring, boiling water. Now, this is not the most expensive pot. The glass gets very hot. And that is steam. I don't know if we can pick it up on the video here, but that is steam coming out of the top at 212 degrees. So, there it is. One magnificent modern day piece of work.